So this is the creativity kit that I've created to go with the Artist's Way. Since I wasn't able to do an in-person Artist's Way group, this gives you basically all goodies that I would have normally passed out during the first couple of classes anyway, and then some. So, you first of all, there is a QR code on the front that goes to my website that has all of the resources, which you can print out all the worksheets for free. They're worksheets I created to help facilitate the tasks and the exercises that are present in the book. I just found it was much easier to have something that was already printed out because unless you write in your book like I do, you're probably not going to end up answering the questions as you read them. So this gives you a better chance of actually accomplishing the tasks in the book. And in this kit, I've got a special goodie while they last. I only have a handful of these. They're a keychain color wheel. So it shows you the color wheel relationships on there with a little spinning wheel. It's kind of cute. It's enamel. A composition notebook, and I love these because they are cheap, they're easy, but of course they're ugly all by themselves. So we have here a cover that I have already folded and put on there for you. And one of the projects that I will be presenting online will be how to collage cover this. This will be the first project we do. And that way, because this one journal is not going to be enough to get you all the way through the Artist's Way and continuing onward, because hopefully this becomes a habit you pick up for the rest of your life. It makes it easy for you to pull off the cover and move it to the next journal. And like I said, composition notebooks are pretty cheap. Then I like to include a coloring folder. So, something fun to play with in between times or while you're listening to things or just because you need a coloring break. And then inside here, I've included all of the worksheets that I've created for all of the different weeks. So this one is just a quote of the rules of the road, and then some of the different activities. And it says here, this one's in chapter 1, it's task number 6. And I've just created a little worksheet to go with it. This one was something I just sort of created for the affirmations or for imaginary lives. They're different tasks that show up in the first few weeks, and they're just something that you can use in any of those things. Just fun little potion bottles. So, like I said, there's a whole lot of different worksheets in here for the several different weeks, and it gives you something else to put all your other notes into and whatever projects. And then there is on watercolor paper. This is the contract that shows up in the book that I've printed onto the watercolor paper, along with the design that I've created, which is for the year of the fire horse. You'll notice the mane and tail, I did not complete the lines. That way when you paint it, you can make the mane as fiery as you want to and kind of, create your own. I will be showing you how to work with watercolor during one of the weeks as well. So this kit is currently a few of them available at Rock Mama. That's in person if you want to get it. You can also reach out to me through Facebook Messenger or email if you happen to have my contact information. I'll try to put some sort of link in there to places to find me, and on my website there's a contact form as well. And I will put together a kit for you if you are not in the area and you're interested in having one of those. The cost is $25. Of course, if I have to ship it, I'll have to figure out how much the shipping cost will be for that. And like I said, I only have a few of these, although once I run out of these, I'm sure I'll find some other little goodies like stickers and bookmarks and things like that probably to throw into there. Anyway, hope you will join us. It doesn't matter when you jump in. Anytime is always a good time to get going on it, and all of the videos that I'm going to create will be up and available, viewable on my YouTube channel. So you can basically start in any week you want to, and still follow along, and then join the Facebook group for weekly check-ins. The check-ins are always very general, so it's not specific to any particular week, so you can always do a check-in anytime, share whatever things you're creatively working on, and ask questions or get support, chat with other people that are creatively recovering as well. So hope you'll join us.